Joint on the corner where the big boys play.
Did you decide?
Yeah.
Gonna try to.
Welcome, guys. Got some water for you.
Thanks.
Did you have time to decide?
Yeah, give me the jacket potatoes, a ginger beer, and I don't know, I'm just gonna keep this for now, thanks.
Okay, yeah, hang on to that.
Yeah.
Okay, and for you?
Yeah, I'm trying to put together an order from your kitchen that's vegan.
You're vegan.
Yep, vegan.
Come on, you don't look vegan.
Well, I am vegan, and I'm trying to put together a lunch order with what you have in the kitchen that's vegan.
You really don't look vegan.
Okay, I'll bite. What does a vegan look like?
Well, I mean, no offense, but vegans are skinny, and you just don't look skinny. And vegans have, long hair and angry expressions on their faces. And
Well, the angry expression is about to come out. What else?
vegans are more like Gandhi, but with long hair. You don't have long hair under that hat, do you?
Seriously?
All I know is that I knew a guy who was vegan once. In fact, I tried it. It wasn't for me. I just wasn't getting enough protein. So I quit. But I mean,
Dude, he's vegan, believe me. He tells everybody we meet he's vegan. He's vegan. Believe me, he's vegan, okay?
Why didn't you just say that? That's all you had to say. Yeah, we've actually got nothing for you back here. I'll give you another minute with the menu.